Hey everyone, welcome back to AVS DigiZone. Have you ever felt like you're shouting into the void with your website? You get visitors, but they don't buy, they don't subscribe, they just vanish. You're not alone. For most websites, over 70% of visitors leave and never come back.
But what if you could find exactly where and why they're leaving? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most common leaks on any website. And more importantly, I'm giving you a free tool that will walk you through finding them on your own site, step by step. It's called the Leaky Website, a free audit guide, and you can grab it for free from the link in the description. So, let's talk about these leaks. Think of your website analytics as a blueprint. This is your homepage, your blog posts, your main landing pages. People land, take one look, and bounce. Why? Maybe the message isn't clear, or there's no compelling next step. You've earned their click, but you're failing to make a second impression. This is a killer. Your pricing page, your checkout flow. These visitors are interested. They're on the verge of becoming a customer, but something makes them hesitate. Is the price unclear? Is shipping too high? This is where you're losing real, tangible money. Someone spends 10 minutes reading your amazing blog post. They love you. They see you as an expert. And then, they just leave. You've built all that trust and you didn't capture it. You missed the chance to turn a fan into a lead. Finding these leaks can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But that's exactly why I created the Leaky Website, a free audit guide. It's a simple, 3-step checklist that shows you how to use your own analytics to pinpoint these exact pages. No guesswork required. And inside this free guide, you will find the solution to fix it. But wait, because it's the holiday season, I have a special gift for you. As a bonus for downloading the guide, we're also giving away a completely free, personalized advance wishes for Happy Christmas and Happy New Year that you can customize with your own name. It's perfect for sending to your email list or posting on social media. Both the links are in the description. So, are you ready to stop the bleeding and start converting your hard-earned traffic? Click the very first link in the description right now. Grab your copy of the Leaky Website, a free audit guide, and your free personalized holiday wishes. It will take you 2 minutes to get them, and they'll give you a roadmap to fixing your website for good. Have you ever checked your bounce rate and been shocked by the number? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video gave you some clarity, please hit that like button, subscribe to AVS DigiZone for more actionable digital marketing tips, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Now go plug those leaks.